Spotify stats, how to see stats on Spotify. So if you want to see some of the stats on Spotify, you can actually find them within Spotify website, only some of them, like maybe the top songs that you listen to, some of the recently played and the best artists that you listen to, right? But if this is not enough and you want to learn more about what you listen to, your top artists, your top songs, Spotify itself does not offer such feature. But what we can do is we can open up a new link or a browser and go to statsforspotify.com. I'll make sure to drop a link below, statsforspotify.com. Here you will see it says login to Spotify. So you want to first of all log in and give access to your Spotify account. Do not worry, this website is completely safe. If you feel it's not safe, later on you can change your password also. So once you've logged in, you can see top tracks, top artists, top genres, whatever you listen to. If I go to top tracks, you can see these are the ones that are listened to the most. Similarly, you can go to top artists and you will be able to sort them from the last 6 months, last 12 months, or whatever else. Either way, this is how you can go ahead and then basically see your stats on Spotify by using statsforspotify.com website. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.